Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Srishti and today we're doing flameless cooking. It's going to be really fun and it's really easy to do, and it's called Ritz Bites. And if you live in India, you can use Monacos for this. For this recipe we need Ritz or Monacos. We need onions, tomatoes, cucumbers, or you can also add other vegetables or fruits that you like. We also need cheese slices or hunker, and also green chili sauce and ketchup. You can also use mayonnaise and add it to them. So I laid my biscuits into my plate. I've chopped my salad and I cut my cheese. It doesn't need to be finely chopped, so even if you put a piece on your biscuit, it will be enough. And I actually mixed the two sauces together, and you can see, like, if you're making for your child, it doesn't need to be like too spicy, and if you're making it for yourself, you can put a little more spicy sauce in it. Now we're going to season our salad. Make sure you don't put too much of it, because there's salt in our crackers, and also you have the sauces. And you can also add some spices like a chaat masala of your choice. So now we're ready to put together our snack item. So first we need to take a little bit of sauce, put it on your biscuit like so, and then spread it just like that. And then take a cheese piece and then put salad. Just like that. You can also increase and decrease the amount of items as per your taste. Let's make one more. My Ritz Bites are ready. Don't they look so refreshing? Please try them at home. And if you like them, like and share this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notifications as well. Till then, take care and bye bye.